guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Do you want to know how to make this cool background? Yeah, I do want to make this. Ooh. Watch this video. You know the papers that you use when you buy a gift, you don't want to wrap it, so you buy a bag and you fill it with, you put the gift inside the bag and then you fill it with paper, like shiny paper and stuff like that. That's what you need to buy. I found these ones, they're nice and shiny, and they were at the dollar store for $1.25. You will also need cardboard paper. So this is the cardboard that they sell at the dollar store, 2 for $1. You will also be needing white paper glue. You can find that at the dollar store, and they give 3 tubes for $1.25. And lastly, and this is optional, but you will need the sponges to spread the glue, and that costs $1.15, again at the dollar store. I'm wearing my little slippies so that you don't have to be subjected to my feet. I see too many YouTubers' feet in these tutorials, and I said, you know what, if I make a tutorial like this, I'm gonna wear my slippies because I don't want anybody talking about my feet. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your glue. So you're just going to spread the glue all over. Putting too much, eh? This is my first time. Okay, then I'm going to get my paper. I'm going to open it. So this is the paper. It's so pretty. Then I'm going to unfold it and hopefully it fits. Ooh, look at that. It has a different color inside. Should I use the silver or the gold side? Nah, I'm going to use the gold side. Gold is more fancy. Now that my paper is open, I'm going to spread the glue across the board. Here comes the hard part, placing your paper. You want to place it from one side to the other. I'm just going to go for it because I just straight up have no idea what's going to happen with this. So I'm just going to put it on there. Okay. Smush it. Oh no, this is terrible. I thought it'd be more easy to manipulate. So just put it on there. It's not dry yet, so actually. Alright. So we're gonna try to smooth it over with our hands. Cardboard is starting to warp a little bit. It's okay. We'll fix her down. We'll fix her up. Okay, we have one last corner to do. And it's starting to come together. Okay, so my camera turned off for no good reason, but I'm still pressing out all of the air bubbles, all of the imperfections. I mean, I'm afraid to peel it up again because it's starting to dry. But anyways, you're going to have this as the end product. This is the ends here. You're going to have some ends and you could cut it off, but I mean, I think the camera only picks up a certain region of your background, and so you don't necessarily need to cut it off. But here is your background. It literally took me like 30 seconds to make this, and it cost me under $5. So here's your ghetto background, baby. Okay, so I know what you guys saw kind of looked like a fail. Okay, but remember at the beginning of the video when you were like, yeah, I really do want to make this background. I'll watch it, see how it goes. Well, I made it, and it looked like a fail, but it looks freaking awesome. And you didn't think it was the same. You probably didn't think it was the same background as in the beginning of the video, but trust me, it is. I'm just using my camera to its best ability to blur out the background, which a lot of times the background is blurred out, and basically accentuate the glitteriness, the shininess of the background, and the iridescent qualities of it, just by focusing the camera on my face and using the joys of depth of field to make it look wonderful. So, with that in mind, I have a giveaway! Raise the roof! Are people raising the roof anymore? I don't know. I am giving away these 3 items. So it's the paper that I used in the video, the glue that I used in the video, the sponge that I used in the video. I'm giving that away to one person. You get all 3 so that you could try making this background to yourself. All you have to do is buy yourself the cardboard. But Zozika, whatever do I have to do to get these free wonderful gifts? Well, basically the same crap. You've seen giveaways on YouTube, but you know what? I like you, so I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to get this free giveaway. Comment, like, subscribe, and last but not least, I'd like you to follow me on Snapchat at Persephone's Kiss. So when you do those 3 things, I'll be able to know that you really want the background and it's just for one person. So good luck! You have it. That's how you make ghetto background, y'all. That's it. I don't know what to tell you. You went to the dollar store. Tabarnak, calmez-vous, Freaking neighbors.